Prolight and Sound is upcoming, and it's the most important exhibition to us this year. There will be many new product releases of different product series and also news about the software. Exciting news, but I cannot reveal too much yet. But stay tuned for more information.
Not only will we show the latest product development and technological achievements in laser system technologies, but we also show all the new developments in powerful show controller laser software.
The ShowNet laser mainboard is standard in most laser systems nowadays. It brings new opportunities for laser control with lighting desks, so your DMX controller or ArtNet controller can directly control lasers with all the safety features and all the possibilities you have with lasers. We will do a presentation on the lighting stage in Hall 12 on Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. We will make a presentation about how lighting control works with lasers, how laser control works in general, and how you can link all the different media together. So it will be an interesting topic to see how laser becomes an integrated part of the whole lighting universe.
Finally, one of our most important announcements. We will have our legendary booth party on our Laserworld stand on the 27th, Thursday, starting at 6 o'clock. We hope you will be there, and remember last time.